It's 2018 and today I'm reviewing a digital picture frame.
You want to go home and rethink your life?
I guess I'll do that. Let's get started. Hey everybody, welcome to Tech with Brett, where I help tech work for you. And in today's video, we're going to be reviewing the iHoment digital picture frame. Now this is different than any picture frame you've seen in the past, so make sure you stay tuned, and as I'm going to show you everything that this can do. Now I want to give a shout out to iHoment for sending this to me, as well as sponsoring today's video, and I will leave a link to the product in the description below so that you guys can go and check it out. Now you may already be asking, Brett, why do I need a digital picture frame in 2018? So today I'm going to explain why this is so beneficial to have around. So I recently looked up how many photos I've taken and uploaded to Google Photos, and I'll share that with you at the end of this video. I want you guys to leave a comment and guess how many photos I have taken over the last 10 years that have been uploaded to Google Photos. It's a big number. And so one of the big things is I've taken all those photos, but I can think maybe 2 or 3 times I actually printed out those photos so that I could view them and have them around. Well, with this digital picture frame, it's super easy for me to open the application and upload those photos or put those photos on a flash drive or an SD card, put it into the picture frame, and boom, I have the pictures displayed. I don't need to go and print them out, but then this can display all of those photos. So on the internal storage of this device, you do have 8 gig of storage, and you can use 12 gig of cloud storage. So that's 20 gig that you could actually use on this device. And then you have an option for a full SD card slot as well as a USB on the back so that you can easily and instantly put new pictures onto this device. Also, the screen is a 1028 by 768 screen, and it's 10 inches. So compared to like other tablets you may have, this fits right in, and it is touchscreen, so it's easy to navigate around. Now let's check out some of the cool features that this can do. Now first, you do need to go and download the iHoment app to your iPhone or your Android device. Now, the first time you set up your iHoment device, it will ask for your Wi-Fi password. Once you connect it, it will then ask for you to create an iHoment account. Now, I do want to mention you can only create an account on the actual digital display. So once you have done that, you can then download the Android or the iPhone application where you can actually upload different photos to the cloud, and then you would just want to sign into that same account right on this device. So here on the app, I do want to show you a few things real quick. So right up here, I have some different contacts, and here I could quickly call them if they have an iHoment device, or I can video chat with them. Now, adding a photo to my iHoment cloud is super easy to do. Down here, you have the option to choose from your gallery, or you could quickly choose from the camera, and then here it is showing what I currently have in my cloud. So if I select gallery, it's going to open up all my photos, or I can go back and choose a specific album that I would like to upload from. So here I have some different photos that I've downloaded, so I could quickly choose any of these photos, and then as soon as I choose some of these, they will actually automatically show up right over there. So there I have selected a few new pictures, and then here I just need to select the upload right here. And now it's instantly adding those to the digital picture frame. And there you can see that my phone is uploading new photos, and instantly those are popping up and available. You can have it show the most recent photos or specific photos, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. Now going back to the application, here if we open up the cloud, we can actually sort and organize our cloud photos right here. So here we can see all the photos that are in the cloud. Here we have my favorites. Here are different albums. Now here you have different friends, so they could actually add photos to the cloud if I have allowed them to. So then if we go into the cloud photos, I can open up a photo here, and down here I have the option to add it to a specific album, and we're gonna call it birthday. Click done, and so there it has added that. We choose that we want to add it to birthday, and then we select done. Here, if a photo is not showing correctly, we could actually rotate it. So you have that option right there, but this one is working right. And then there we could add it to a favorite photo. So that is how you could go through and organize all the photos that you have uploaded to the cloud. You also have the option to go to iHoment.com, and here you can sign in and you can actually link your Facebook account, Instagram, and your Flickr photos and so that you can show those on your iHoment device. So here I can quickly link my Facebook account, and it is showing all of my recent Facebook photos. Here I have quite a few different photos, and then I can just select the ones that I would like, and then I can quickly upload those to my iHoment account. So moving here to the device, once you start uploading photos to the cloud, they will instantly pop up. It was super seamless, very easy to do. Now down here you do have the current time, and you have a thermometer reading as well as a hydrometer. So here it's going to show you the current precipitation that's in the room, which is pretty cool to have, and you can adjust that. So first thing, if you tap on the screen, this will show you a few options. So down here, you could have it play the most recent 100 photos, 300 photos, or 500 photos. Here you can quickly go to the next photo. So you could go next, or if you wanted to pause it on a certain photo, you have that option. Over here we have the option to favorite that photo if we would like to quickly add it to our favorites. Now up here we have a few options. We have the cloud. So just like on the phone, if I want to open the cloud, here it's going to show me all of those different albums that I have created. If I want to go back to all my photos, I just tap the screen and select the most recent 100 photos. It will then begin playing all of the photos I have uploaded to my cloud. Now next we have the video icon. So this is how you can quickly video chat from your iHoment device. So here I have a few different contacts. If I wanted to quickly call them, all I need to do is press the call button. It would then call them. And here we have the video where that would start the video chat. Over here we have my friends. Now, like I said before, they do have to have a iHoment device to be able to create an account. And then here you would add them their email, and you can actually add different names so that you could easily call them with the voice assistant. Now, once you have the app and everything set up, you can then do voice calls right from your phone to the iHoment device. And one of the cool things is being able to turn that on so it automatically answers. I can quickly jump into the kitchen and see what the kids are up to. So let's check out how that works.
Hi, Dell. How are you?
Hi.
You having a good time with it?
Yeah. All gone.
All right. Thank you guys for helping clean the kitchen.
You're welcome. And Dad? Can we help you with your video?
You're helping me right now.
Is the camera on?
It is. I can see you. Can you see me?
Yeah. So let's go downstairs. Hi, Gwen.
All right. Bye.
I love you and... Oh, okay.
When you receive a call when that setting is off, this is what will show up. All right, moving on. So that is how to video call. Now, if you tap the screen, and here you have the different media storage. So now let's try plugging in a USB and see how that looks. As soon as I plugged in the USB, it asked if I wanted to open that file. So let me show you. If I go back, tap the screen, here I can select USB and it will open the USB. And here you can see all the different pictures and albums that I have available. Now, it won't play any videos that I have on here or any music. It's strictly the photos. So here I have created a photo called Family Album, and then it's going to show all of those photos. And I could just open up one of those photos and it will begin to show that, and it will just kind of stay there until you select something else. So if I tap the screen, it will go back. And then if I wanted to upload any of these, I do have that option. So I can just hold down and select the few that I want. And then I could select upload, and that is going to upload it to my cloud. So those will always be available even if I remove the USB stick. So here it has uploaded those. If I wanted to upload all of them, I would just select all. And there it's giving me a notification that photos have been uploaded to my cloud. If I want to upload or play all of them, I just need to select all. Here I could upload, but if we just want to play these new pictures for a while, I can select play right there, and then it's going to play through the photos that I have on the USB. So I could just leave it in there and it would continue to play these photos. or I could upload to the cloud, whichever you want to do. And then down here we have the options just to skip and to pause. So at any time, if you see something and you're like, oh, go back, you can quickly swipe forward or back to see those. So now if I want to go back and go to my original cloud photos, I just select most recent and select 100 photos. It will display the cloud. Now let's check out a few other cool settings that you have available with the iHoment. So if I swipe down, that will show me my menu. So right here, we have the volume adjust, so you can change that for the video calls. Over here, we have the home, so it will just take you right back to the home. Tap the screen to get the other menu to go away. Then if I swipe down again, here we have a bunch of settings in here. And then here you have the home screen settings. So here I have the option to turn off the clock. I could turn off humidity, and when you turn off humidity, it's also going to turn off the temperature setting. And here you can change from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Down here you have the brightness, so this will change the screen to a more warm color, and here to a more cool color. And then here you have how long it takes to change a photo. So right now it's set at 10 seconds. You could go all the way up to 5 minutes. Here you have the play mode. So this is what will happen when it changes from photo to photo. So I currently had this set at random. So it was randomizing the transition between each of the photos, but you have all kinds of other options where you can specify. You could go to zoom, fade, roll, wave, vertical flip, zoom in, jump cut, fold, or I kind of like the crossfade, which is pretty cool. So we'll select that. And then here you can select the way that the photos fit. So some of the photos will be portrait and they're not going to fit fully on the screen. So you could actually have it just fit and show the full photo. Here you could have it fit screen and pan. So it's going to put the picture zoomed in and then it's going to move across the picture. Here you have fit screen fixed. And then here you have a snapshot. So you can go through and check out all those photos. Let's just quickly choose snapshot and look at how that looks. So there it's showing like a picture frame and it's going to put those up on the screen like that, which is pretty cool. And there you can see the transition, and so it's going to keep layering the photos on top of each other. Now, one of the other reasons that I wanted to check out the iHoment device is because it has a voice assistant built in. So this voice assistant will allow you to quickly open up different photos or albums that you have stored on the device, or you can actually call other iHoment device or call other phones that you have connected to your account. So here you have the different voice settings. So here you can switch the voice recognition skill on. And to activate the voice recognition, you do need to just call out Robola. And it will then listen to you and you can talk to it. So here are some of the commands you can use. You can instantly call people, have it show certain photos, have it show certain friends' photos. And then here you could have it show those different emotions that it had found. So let's try that out. Robola, show me my favorite photos.
Opening photo for you. Please wait a moment.
So there it has already opened my favorite photos. Robola, call Brett.
Calling Brad. Please wait a moment.
And here it is calling me. Pretty cool, very easy to do. Maybe you're washing the dishes, you want to instantly call somebody. If this is in your kitchen, you can quickly do that. Not too many things that you can do with the voice assistant, but a cool start and very easy to instantly navigate to certain photos if you have organized them. Now let's go into settings and check out the privacy. So you can completely turn off the camera right here. So right here next to the camera is a ambient light sensor. So when the lights turn off, it will dim the screen, which is really nice, so it's not blaring at you all the time. Now this is how it looks when you do turn off the lights. You can see that it quickly dims. Now if you do want to completely turn off the screen, up here on the top there is a little power button, so I can press that and then it will dim the screen. Now one of the things I would like to see added to this device is being able to have it call other people. So say my dad wants to set up an account, he could create it and then I could instantly call him from the iHoment, but he does have to get an iHoment to be able to call him, which I find a little funny, but if he got one of these, it would be super seamless and you could instantly call them at any time. Now that I've shown you everything that the iHoment can do, let me tell you how many Google Photos I actually have backed up. So If you guessed properly, congratulations, but here it is. I have 54,469 photos currently uploaded to my Google Photos account. Now that is a ton of photos, and I definitely don't have the time to go and look through all of those, but I can go and find my favorite ones, instantly download them to my phone, and use the iHoment app to upload them to this device so that we can easily view them at any time. We've really enjoyed having this device around. Putting it in the kitchen is the perfect spot when we're cooking food or whatever. The kids love seeing photos of them. We're not able to go and print out every single one of those or put them on a picture frame. So with this, we can view all those photos, 20 gigabytes if I really wanted to, and it really has been super nice to have it around. Now, if you guys have any further questions about the iHoment device, let me know in the comments below. And if this is your first time here, I would love to have you subscribe so that you can be notified of my new and upcoming videos. Make sure you select that bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.
I'm just going to walk by.